Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Starting a cleaning business is one thing, but scaling it? That's a whole different ballgame. And if you're here, you're likely looking for ways to grow your cleaning business fast in 2024. Well, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful strategies for rapid growth, using subcontractors. Imagine this. You've built a solid client base, but now you're hitting a ceiling. You're maxed out on time and resources, and you can't take on any more clients without burning out or hiring a ton of full-time employees. This is where subcontractors come into play. They offer a way to expand your business without the usual headaches of scaling. First off, let's talk about why subcontractors are a game changer. Subcontractors allow you to increase your service capacity without the long-term commitment or overhead of full-time employees. You get to tap into skilled labor as needed, which means more flexibility and less financial risk. And the best part? You can grow your business much faster since you're not limited by the number of employees you can afford to keep on payroll. But of course, the key to success with subcontractors is finding reliable ones. This is where a lot of businesses trip up, so listen closely. When searching for subcontractors, you need to vet them thoroughly. Check their references, review their previous work, and ensure they have the necessary certifications and insurance. Websites like Angie's List, Thumbtack, or even specialized industry groups on Facebook can be great places to find subcontractors. Just remember, don't rush this step. A bad hire can hurt your reputation faster than you can say dust bunny. Once you've found the right subcontractors, managing them effectively is crucial. You want to make sure they're delivering the same level of service that your clients expect from your business. Clear communication is key here. Set expectations from the start. Outline the scope of work, deadlines, and quality standards. Regular check-ins and feedback sessions can help keep everyone on track. Also, consider using project management tools like Trello or Asana to keep everything organized. Now let's talk legal stuff. Boring? Maybe. Important? Absolutely. You need to have a solid contract in place with your subcontractors. This contract should cover payment terms, the scope of work, confidentiality agreements, and what happens if things go south. Protect your business and make sure both parties know what they're getting into. If you're not sure where to start, it's worth investing in a lawyer who can draft a contract template that you can use repeatedly. So you've got your subcontractors lined up, you've got contracts in place. What's next? It's time to market your expanded services. This is where you really start to see the benefits of using subcontractors. Now that you can take on more clients, you need to get the word out. Update your website, boost your social media presence, and consider running targeted ads. You can also tap into local business networks and offer special promotions to attract new clients. The goal here is to fill that extra capacity you've just created with high-paying, long-term clients. And to give you some extra motivation, let's look at a couple of real-life success stories. Take Sarah, for example, who runs a cleaning service in Austin. By strategically using subcontractors, she was able to double her client base in just 6 months. Or James in New York, who expanded his business across 3 boroughs without ever hiring a full-time employee, thanks to his team of reliable subcontractors. These aren't isolated cases. This is what's possible when you leverage subcontractors effectively. Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to take your existing cleaning business to the next level, subcontractors can be your secret weapon for fast growth in 2024. The key is to be strategic. Find the right people, manage them well, cover your legal bases, and market your services aggressively. If you do all of this, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving cleaning business that's ready to dominate the market. And that's a wrap! If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on growing your cleaning business. See you in the next video.